Huawei P Smart 2020 spotted on TENAA with triple rear cameras, in-display fingerprint sensor. Huawei is gearing up to launch a new mid-range phone packing triple rear cameras and an in-display fingerprint sensor. Ahead of its official debut, the upcoming Huawei phone has been spotted on TENAA, tipping its key specifications such as a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 16-megapixel front camera, and an octa-core processor. The phone, which is tipped to be launched as the Huawei P Smart 2020, doesn't have an official release date yet and is expected to succeed the Huawei P Smart 2019 that was launched in December last year packing dual rear cameras. The upcoming Huawei phone, whose TENAA listing was first spotted by Nashville Chatter, is listed on the TENAA database under two different model names, AQMALOO and AQMTLOO, with identical specifications, but no product images. As per the Chinese regulatory authorities database, the upcoming Huawei phone will feature a 6.3-inch Full HD+ 1080x2400 pixels OLED display and will be powered by an octa-core processor clocked at 2.2 GHz. The make of the processor powering the alleged Huawei P Smart 2020 is not known, but if the Kirin 710 powering its predecessor is any indication, the Huawei P Smart 2020 will also rely on an in-house chipset, possibly the Kirin 810 processor. As for the cameras, the yet-to-be-launched Huawei phone will come equipped with a 48-megapixel primary camera, assisted by 8-megapixel secondary and 2-megapixel tertiary snappers, while a 16-megapixel camera is there on the front. The phone will arrive in multiple variants with 4GB, 6GB, and 8GB RAM variants, as well as 64GB and 128GB storage models. The alleged Huawei P Smart 2020 will run Android 9 Pie and will offer storage expansion up to 256GB. TENAA's database of the Huawei AQMALOO and AQMTLOO, both of which appear to the same phone, mentions that it will come equipped with a 3900 mAh battery and will be available in black and green color options. Dimensions of the alleged Huawei P Smart 2020 are listed as 157.4 by 73.2 by 7.75 mm and its weight is 163 grams. On-board sensors include an accelerometer, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, and an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.